Hey guys, no matter which iPad you guys have, if it's synced up with your Apple Pencil Pro, and this goes with any Apple Pencil by the way, not just the Pro, to unsync this from your iPad, it's actually extremely easy. Just don't have it hooked up there, okay? Don't have it charging while it's doing this. Just have it on the side. Then what you guys want to do is go into your settings. In your settings, Bluetooth, Apple Pencil, just tap on the side where you're gonna see connected and forget this device. And you're all done. That's it. That's how you guys can unsync it. And that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.